Welcome to the VDCI CAD Teacher, BIM361 Introduction to Navisworks Overview video. Navisworks is a multi-tool downstream application that allows you to congregate files from a number of formats into a single cross-disciplinary model. In this course, we'll be covering the basics that you'll need to know in order to get started with Navisworks. We'll learn how to make the workspace work for us and how to best use the many analysis tools the program offers. We'll learn to use the Navisworks navigation tools to be able to get unique perspectives of your building from the inside out. And we'll learn how to append multiple disciplinary models from different formats to create one consolidated model. We'll be using viewpoints and animations to better express and explore these integrated models, and we'll become familiar with the famed clash detection utility. We'll use this tool to analyze our building and find collisions between trade model elements. We'll also learn how to export clash reports and how to best use these reports to communicate with our AEC team. And we'll be turning on the lights in the models that we built in our Revit courses and use them to create some quick and easy photorealistic renderings. This is a flexible and versatile tool that any AEC professional should have in their back pocket, whether a contractor, architect, or engineer. We look forward to seeing you in our Navisworks course.